A naughty list or a good list, okay? So when I was a kid, you just had to wait and see what would happen. But today you guys can go to, and this is not a lie, this is totally true. You can go to claws.com, you can put your name in, and you can see what list you're on. So I put my name in, and this is what it said about me. It said, has been on best behavior most of the year, a real nice surprise, always plays by the rules, is a good, polite listener, even when bored, set a new record of only interrupting 75 times in 365 days, always says bless you when somebody sneezes, every now and then gets a little cranky, like last Thursday. Let's try and keep a good attitude every day. So I would say I'm on a good list, a nice list. But I also looked up some of the staff members. So I'll just read a few. And staff meeting this week is sure to be fun. Okay, Dr. Don. It says, and I didn't write any of this. This all comes from claws.com. Even after an iffy October, it still has a nice rating. Hey, 11 good months out of 12 isn't bad. Didn't eat vegetables and got caught sticking out tongue. Got his wife really mad that one time. Was it 2 Saturdays ago? On the other hand, is kind to animals, finishes chores, and almost always washes hands before eating. Should finish with a nice rating if those awesome manners are kept up. So that's good, huh? And we'll do one more. We'll do Peggy, since she's preaching today. Peggy, it says, has been nice most of the year, not just near Christmas. Makes others happy. Could share a little more, however. Politeness is sometimes very good and can be a great listener. That's awesome. So, you guys, why do you think I'm talking about naughty and nice lists? Because sometimes people think that God is like Santa Claus. And God keeps naughty and nice lists. Do you think God keeps naughty and nice lists on everybody? No? Oh, he keeps only good lists on everybody? What do you think? What do you think? I'm here to tell you that God doesn't keep lists on people. The Bible tells us that none of us are worthy. None of us are worthy of God's love. But God gives it anyway. Do you know why? 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 It's called grace. God's grace. It's a present. God's grace is a present. Through Jesus. And that's his birthday we're celebrating this month, right? So remember, God loves us anyway, no matter what. Okay? This is good news. This is really, really good news, so I want you to be really excited about it. Okay? So, let's say a prayer and then we'll go to class, okay? Dear God, thank you